guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Giselle and today we're going to be doing a palette review. So I have my base already done and my foundation done. I'm currently reviewing a foundation, so if I have the video already posted, I'll link it up here. But for today, we're going to be reviewing the Aphrodite palette. So this palette is a dupe for the Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette. So I don't have that palette, but we're just gonna do just a demo of it. So here are the beautiful colors, and it is a 16 color eyeshadow collection. So it has the, foil colors down here, some mattes, a little shimmer. So let's get into this look. Let's see how it performs. So just a little bit about this palette. You can get this at shophush.com. I'll have all the links and any discount codes, or if you want to use my discount code for it, it is Lovejiselle. You can save, I think it's 10% off, but it is $12 off of shophush.com, and Bad Habit is just like the company that works with them. But yeah, they do a lot of dupes. Bad Habit has a dupe for the Anastasia Modern Renaissance palette, the Subculture palette. They have a lot of dupes for the Huda Beauty palette. So just go on Shop Hush, look at some of the things. Everything is on there is super affordable. As normal, we're going to prime our eyes with the Urban Decay Primer Potion. If you have really been struggling to keep your eyeshadows from creasing, I would definitely suggest using this primer. It never creases on me, so I love it. I've been using it for years. We're gonna take Koi right here and take that to set our eye. Let's take Lust, and this is just like a burnt red, like a deep brick red. I'm gonna place this on our crease. So Koi definitely had some fallout, but Lust has no fallout. So next, I think I want to take, what is this, Seduction? Right here, it's just this brown. That definitely had some kickback. I think I want to do a halo eye. So I'm just going to put it in the outer and inner corners. Okay, and that color just, it almost seemed like it blended away. I'm going to go back and add it in just a little bit and blend it out. But it is very easy to blend, so I'm not mad at that. So just to carve out this halo eye, I'm going to be using the ColourPop concealer. And this is in the shade, I don't know. It's done rubbed off. Oh, here it is. 40, Golden 40. So that's the only thing I don't like about ColourPop. All of their packaging, everything rubs off after time. So fix that, ColourPop, please. Before my camera, or after my camera decided it wanted to be disrespectful and cut off on you, I went ahead and just finished this eye. But let's do this eye together. But so I took this sham, it's like a dark gold called Euphoria right here, and we're just gonna with our finger You know, focus. It is so creamy. And we're just gonna put that all on the center. And then taking this foiled color called Sparks. It's like a yellow gold. And we're just gonna put that right on top of it. Okay, so rude. Okay, so just for my final thoughts on the Aphrodite Bad Habit palette, just from the colors that I use, I am in love with this palette. I've had this palette in my collection for a while, and I just have had other palettes that I've been loving, that I've been using, and I really forgot about it until I started cleaning up and organizing, and I found it again. So I love this palette. This is a great palette. Like I said, I didn't have the original Huda Beauty palette to compare it with, but just for some of my previous dupes, and I'll list it up here. Rude, stop honking. But just for some of my other dupes, I mean, they've been really comparable. I haven't yet tried a bad habit palette. But yeah, so if you like this video, if you like this review, please give me a thumbs up. If you have any other palettes that you want me to dupe, I might be trying the Soft Glam ADH palettes coming up. So if you would like that video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video.